This gadget here is one that really surprised me. So when I first looked into the product, I did have my doubts, but overall it really does deliver exactly what the company promises. A nice, simple and well-crafted smart cylinder. First, the quality of the build and the feel of this alone is something that can really make your home feel just as high-tech as a multi-million-pound home. This works with digital products like Alexa and Google, so being able to use your voice commands to say, Google, unlock the door, well, that is something that makes me feel very happy. And one thing that really stood out as well was the fingerprint scanner. And this one's really, really neat because not everybody wants to get their phone out to open their door. Suppose you went for a run and you didn't have it with you, or maybe your phone battery's completely died. Also, there's no wiring, no drilling. It's a simple 3-minute replacement with your old European cylinder and you're all set. On the app, you can share keys with your friends, your family, Airbnb guests maybe, your cleaner, your dog walker. And it's great because you can limit access for a specific time frame. For example, only Mondays from 3 to 5 for 2 weeks. And then you can delete it whenever you want. You can also get notifications for when your kids come home from school. At Symbol UK right now, I believe that it has a discount going on for this version of the product. So head on over there and check it out.